As sustainability becomes more pervasive across our global society, the topic is increasingly a priority for companies, investors, and customers. Today, ESG scorecards are considered when deciding who to do business with and which companies secure investments. Sustainability is already a key attribute for most world-class organizations, and these business practices have become valuable in their own right, driving efficiencies and allowing companies to fund sustainability initiatives by issuing green bonds and trading in both financial and carbon markets. Intelie LIVE Operational AI platform has become an essential tool in recent years, especially in industrial and manufacturing sectors, empowering organizations and their engineers to deliver more sustainability and operational efficiency values at speed. The solutions for utility monitoring, waste monitoring, equipment health and diagnosis, and mission control and fuel consumption and emission can be tailored to fit into several levels of organizational complexities, including the ones requiring a real-time center of excellence. The Utilities Monitoring app uses sophisticated artificial intelligence to manage the consumption of key resources, including water, electricity, gas, steam, and compressed air, through a series of real-time key performance indicators. The Waste Monitoring app helps to identify and reduce process losses and waste throughout the entire supply chain, from sourcing through manufacturing to distribution and sales. Online KPIs quickly identify loss or waste in raw materials, packaging, and finished products. In the case of the Equipment Health and Diagnosis app, Intelie enables large corporations to optimize machinery and equipment through detailed monitoring. This critical solution helps engineers predict failures and plan maintenance properly, which results in a considerable reduction of their non-productive time, maintenance costs, and overall waste, including raw material, natural resources, and working hours. These intelligent solutions and others take critical sustainability practices a step further with sensor data and real-time analytics that help companies reduce their waste drastically, respond to accidents and failures, and foresee them with enough time and the right tools to proactively avoid them. What differentiates Intelie is its proven track record, rapidly delivering high-value AI insights and machine learning solutions that can immediately improve daily operations in a way that other software companies cannot. Intelie's proprietary advanced analytics apps allow customers all over the world to accelerate the digital transformation of their business, social, and environmental performance through the incredible power of operational AI.